Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about observability. So, what exactly is observability? Instead of jumping straight into the definition, let's understand it with a simple example. Imagine your application is running fine. Everything looks normal. Let's say you have an API that normally takes around 1 second to respond. But suddenly, the same API starts taking 8 seconds. So clearly, something is not right. But the question is, what happened? Where is the problem? Now, in a real application, a request may go through multiple services. For example, it might go through service A, service B, service C, and then finally reach the database. So, where exactly is the problem? Is one of these services taking more time? Is there a problem with the database? And most importantly, how do we find the root cause? This is where observability comes in. In simple terms, observability helps us understand what's happening inside our application. It gives us the visibility we need to investigate a problem and find the root cause. So, instead of just knowing that something is wrong, observability helps us understand what went wrong, where it went wrong, and why it happened. That's the basic idea behind observability. Now, the next question is, how do we actually get this visibility? That's where the 3 pillars of observability come in. We will talk about those in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.